into the natural look of this wig. Just take a moment with me, okay? Just take a moment with me. Oh my God, look at the curls. Like, you cannot tell me this is not my hair, y'all. I have done a ton of wig reviews from HerGivenHair before in the past, and this wig has delivered like no other. I always say HerGivenHair is the wig, is the company that you go for when you want that supernatural, girl, your hair is beautiful, bomb look, and you want your curls to be popping, and the only thing it really takes is water to take you there. Girl, this is why I always praise HerGivenHair for the girls who love that natural look and want to feel like they're wearing their real hair, but also providing a protective hairstyle for their natural hair. It is no way this wig is coming off today. You hear me? This wig is staying on for the next 48 hours. Do you hear me? Let me just read you guys the details on this wig real quick. Now, of course, make sure you check that description bar because it will have everything that you need to know about this wig. First of all, the name of this wig is Diva Curly Unit. That already says enough for me personally. This is a 3B through 3C texture, which is definitely my hair texture. So it is definitely a very natural curly hair texture. This is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, which is 14 inches. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, a Swiss transparent lace, and it's 100% virgin human hair, and it did come with an elastic band, but of course I did not use the band. So if you want your curls to be longer than this look right here, which is a 10-inch, but the wig itself is a 14-inch, you definitely want to go with like a 16 or an 18-inch, because once the hair is wet and the curls are defined, the hair is going to shrink. But honestly, this just gives me the natural hair that I need, and the density on this is perfect. Oh my God, let me see what the density is. I guess this is like the normal 100% density. It is perfect. And as you guys saw, this wig can definitely get bigger if you continue to run your fingers through it and if you don't define the curls. And then as you guys see, the parting space on this is really good. Honestly, I think this type of parting space is so perfect for the whole natural wigs. Like, look at them curls. Girl, stop playing. Stop playing. This, I'm not gonna lie, this wig is expensive. It starts at $400. That's without any coupons, of course. Make sure you check out that description bar and save yourself some money by typing in a coupon code. But it is so worth it, y'all. Like, this will be my go-to summer wig for real. And I have a shit ton of curly wigs. You guys know this. But this wig, like, looking back, trying to think back on my other curly wigs that is this length and look this good with the hairline and the parting space, I honestly don't think I have a wig that can compete with this. Let me say this real quick and then I'm out of here. This wig, for it to be a curly wig, it is not a high maintenance wig, and I can appreciate that. I'm sure you guys can appreciate that, especially if this is going to be your first wig that you purchase. Like, y'all, look at that. So I'll make sure everything is in the description bar. Please check out that link. This wig is absolutely a must-have. You might have to save your coins a little bit, but it is so worth having, guys. So worth having. So yeah, that does it for today's video. I want to thank HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video and providing such a beautiful, natural looking bust down wig, because girl, this is what the girls needs. We need these natural curls, okay? We need all of this juicy curls and stuff like that. We need this.